find the best service in heavy truck financing, man.
Come on, man. It's Heavy Truck Lease.
How much money did you save here?
About 10 grand.
So how much money do you think you saved by coming out here?
Oh, probably 15 grand.
How much money do you think you saved by coming out here?
If it's come to the numbers, I don't know, maybe 10,000, 15,000.
What do you think you saved by coming out here?
Oh, at least 40, 50%.
How much money did you save by coming out here?
By 10 grand.
How much money would you say you saved by coming down here, brother? That's what people want to know.
10 grand probably, around 10 grand.
How much money do you think you saved by coming out here?
At least 10,000.
You save a lot of money here, man?
Oh, definitely. Half of the price.
How much money do you think you saved here, man?
About $12,000.
I would save anywhere from $10,000 to $15,000 on it.
Absolutely amazing. What do you think you saved here? Honestly, that's what people want to know.
At least 10,000. Couldn't be happier. Got the best price in the world. There's no doubt about it. They are #1 guys to work with. I saved easy $10,000 to $12,000.
No, is how much money you think you saved here, Jose?
I save around 8 to 12 grand.
Oh, beautiful, man.
I did save like $10,000.
What did you save by coming out here, brother?
5 to 10
How
grand.
much money do you honestly think you saved by, coming out here and using Heavy Truck Lease?
I get the best price.
How much money did you guys save?
About 15 to 20,000.
How much money do you think you saved by coming out here?
I save about 20, 25,000 easy.
I want to say Heavy Truck Lease, thanks again, man.
No,
and thanks for thinking about my family, right?
Of course.
You don't get that often.
You're very welcome.